Let's go over how to configure emergency alerts on your phone so you don't miss important notifications. To begin with, press the Settings button to open that app. And then you want to go to the line that says Notifications. You're going to scroll all the way down. Keep going. To the very bottom, you'll see the segment called Government Alerts. Here is where you can toggle on or off Amber Alerts, Emergency Alerts, more on that in a moment, Public Safety Alerts, or Test Alerts. Now, if you don't like getting Amber Alerts in the middle of the grocery store or church or at 4 o'clock on a Saturday morning, you might choose to turn that or leave it off. That's a personal choice. If you like getting those Amber Alerts, go ahead and turn that on. You should always keep emergency alerts set to on, like this. As long as these show green, you will always get emergency alerts, and if you choose to always play sound, you'll get an alert even if your phone is in silent mode. We highly recommend you leave these settings both on. The other thing you can choose to turn on is public safety alerts. Those are less emergent than, say, a tornado alert or a flash flood alert, but they are alerts that we can send to your phone that will let you know what's going on in your community. Those are probably a great idea to have turned on. And last, you have test alerts. Those are not something that the general public needs to have on. Those are only used when we are testing the system, so you can go ahead and safely leave that turned off. And again, the Amber Alerts option is up to you. A lot of people find those to be the most intrusive alerts because they happen at all hours of the day and night, and they're not something that necessarily affects your immediate safety. So it's up to you whether you want to turn those off. We recommend that you always leave emergency alerts on so that you'll be able to get notified if something happens that we need to notify you about quickly. That's it.